This is size 10 B175. You can use different size. Thread I'm using 8/0 uni red. I'm going to start just about here. Open the thread by spinning clockwise, anti-clockwise, and just stop just about here and come back. Sorry, just here. Now I'll explain the material as I go along. This is blue holographic tinsel for the end butt here, which is what we call a tag. This is the material. So if I just cut diagonally from this end just to catch it and come back up, just stop right there and add that tinsel by touch and turn, and just stop there now and secure it. Okay, chop this piece a little bit longer, just to the body length, and just go back a little bit. For tail I'm using these the makeup brush for ladies, just about. You can use Hackle, entirely up to you. So you can see I'm going to take about a few fibers, I would say about 6 or 5, because there's 2 color in the tail. So this also, let's see, I've took some, so make sure you bring the level the tips. So also I'm going to add some red in the tail, which is a Hackle again, just about 5 or 6 fiber again. Just make sure the tips are level before you pull them off, and just put them together, the tip ends level, that's better. And just chop this side of the, and just give it a little spin, body length, just about there. That's better. Some fibers are shorter, so I'll just kind of bring them out. Don't have to do that, to be honest with you. It's just me. I like to see this fly bit in nice shape. So yeah, this is the tail's done, and now for the body. Actually chop this bit body length again. This is organza ribbon for the body, black color. You can use different color. I just cut this about 2 to 3 millimeter long barb, and always before you put this on, just take this side and cut some fiber, so you have this bit and bit so you can catch it easily. Now I'm going to come back towards the bend, catch this, and now go towards the eye using touch and turn. And that's it. Now before I do anything else, I do add the beard in this stage, because I do a little bit different than you probably saw my other video that I put beard before. So body length, and just catch it nicely couple of times. Now use your finger and thumb to pull the fibers upward, and if you see any fibers, I say pull it out. That's better. And now secure it one more time. Pull it up again a couple of times so we can chop this easy. That's better. Now I like doing the beard like this because when I start tying I always struggle to put beard on the old box, so I just come across with this kind of style. I hope you like it, and I find it a lot easier. That's all covered up nicely. Now you have to bring your organza, use either touching term, but I'm going to leave a little gap in between. As you can see a little red color. Even if your body is a little bit uneven, don't matter, because once you put organza over it, it becomes level. I secure this, chop this off. Now completely secure now, and right, before I do the beard, I'm going to add blue Biot cheeks. Just level the tips, turn them around the length you want, but I would say that's nice. Scale them, take your time on this, few turn. Now that's it, they're done nicely. Okay, now take this either end with your scissor. Don't pull them out because you're going to lose them. They go out of shape. And take your time on this thing. It's better. Now I'm going to unwind the thread and come towards this way. Before I finish off, I will just adjust this hook first. Now take your time on this, turn your voice upside down, and just bring these feathers backward by using your nail. Take your time. Once they just kind of standing up as a 90-degree, go back to normal position, hold the thread up, use your both thumb and finger, and secure them. Make sure they're sitting properly on either side. That's better. Sorry, that's better. Now, nice. I like to see a nice head, so that's done. Now, the final bit is your wave finish. Few turn. That's scale. Chop the waste piece. This looks alright. And finish off with the varnish. So this is your variation of Organza Diawl Bach with the blue Biot cheek, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you again.